So, this is what happens when you put peanut butter on the roof of a dog's mouth. This is Lucy. Her name is Lucy, and she's a good doggy, and she likes peanut butter a lot. This is totally not animal cruelty or anything. You just take some peanut butter, get it on your finger, and give it to her. She'll take it. Just rub it on the roof of her mouth. And she'll be licking like that for a long time. Probably about a good 2 minutes. Yeah, licks and 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 licks. I like a good girl. Hey, you like the peanut butter? Hmm? You like the peanut butter, baby? What? She wants more. What is it? What's on your mouth, Lucy?